Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to explain you how to create an agent using Phidata Agentic AI framework. We have multiple Agentic AI frameworks are there. Among them, this is one of the framework that is Phidata. Now we are using it to create an agent where first I'll show you how to create an agent by using a simple Gemini model. Then I will attach a tool that is a Google searching a tool, or you can say DuckDuckGo Search or web search tool to perform web searching and answer your queries. To do this, I'm using a Google Colab notebook as a platform to write my code or implement my software. Now I'm installing Phidata. This is the requirement for you to get the Phidata framework to implement any agentic AI framework using Phidata. This quit is used to show you the final output whether the framework got loaded or not. So now you can see it is getting loading. Okay, now it's done since tick mark is there, right? Yeah. Now from the file data, from the file, I want to create an agent. You can see file.agent is the method that you use, and you need to import this agent. And then since this is an agent one, I am naming it as agent one, and you need to use this agent class to create your agent. Then to create my agent, you must need to specify your model. So what is your model? If you not specify, by default, what it will take is it will take an OpenAI model. Let's say I'm not specifying anything in my agent, and now I'm assuming this is my agent. Now if I try to print this agent one, you can see some agent ID is there. Okay, let's try to invoke this so that or let's try to print some response from it. You will get some error. You can see, so by default it is taking, or by default it is accepting OpenAI model, and it is expecting some OpenAI key. If you are not using OpenAI, or if you are using some Gemini models, that is free models are there, right? Yes. So if you are using them, then you need to specify your model here. Let's see how to get the Gemini model and provide that here. That also from model dot Google. So in this, you just need to import your Gemini. You use this Gemini method to import any model from Google. You can see by default, this will take, by using this ID, we can able to specify which model you are going to using. By default, which model it is using 2.0 Flash experiment model. So this is a free model currently now. So that's why I'm using this. And if you want to use any model, Gemini model, you must need to provide your API key. So how to get this API key, sir? So I'm assuming in this variable that key was stored, but still I haven't got that key. So first let's load that key here. I've stored my key in this secrets manager. I'm just accepting my key from here. By using Google.Colab, let's import user data. And so by using this user data, let's get our key, which I have stored here, by using the name of that key. And I want to store that key in this Gemini API key variable, and just running this. So it's a Google. Okay, now, yeah, my key got stored in this variable. Now I'm using that key and creating a Gemini model, right? Or I'm loading a Gemini model. Okay, now our Gemini model got loaded. and I want to use that Gemini model here to create an agent. Now my Gemini agent got created. So I want to run this and get some response like hi. For the request hi I'm providing, you can see the response. Hi there, how can I help you? So what is AI? Like that I want to provide a question. Now let's see like how we are getting the response. You can see we got some response. So this is our message and this is the response like so about AI it will provide us some more detailed response. Okay. Now I want to add some tool to this. Like I want to add some search agent to this. So for that first I want to get some searching agent tool. So where it is present, it is also present in a file from file tools dot DuckDuckGo. I want to use this DuckDuckGo searching tool to get some browser data. You have this DuckDuckGo. You can use this DuckDuckGo as well as a tool. I'm mentioning like my tools as or my tool as this DuckDuckGo. So before implementing this, you need to install this DuckDuckGo search because it's a prerequisite for implementing this. If not installed, then please install it. Like that, I'm providing the command so that this DuckDuckGo search will installed. So now you can run this so that the tool will get created. Yeah. Okay. Now, so by using the tool, I want to check whatever the methods do I have to search or to query. You can see this is the first method like DuckDuckGo news. It is used to get the latest news related to the question that you provide. Let's say I want to provide like NVIDIA and if I run this, now you can see, so let's print it so that we can able to see in a good manner. Yeah. So it's providing by default one, two, three, four, five. Five results it's providing related to NVIDIA and it also providing like URL and from what source like title, body. So like search results it's providing related to news. News related search results it's providing. And let's say I want to perform like a general search, then for that also we have this function. Other than news articles, I want search results. You can see search results we are getting. So like that, we can able to implement both searching as well as search results articles we can able to get and news articles we can able to get by using this DuckDuckGo tool. Now I'm using it as a tool here inside this agent tools. I'm specifying like my tool, or you can just provide directly provide the DuckDuckGo method inside it so that it can use this to get news data or search results as well. So what is latest AI news? Latest AI news. I want to use it. Now let's run this. Oh, I need to run this first. Invalid syntax. We need to mention comma here. So the tool got loaded. You can see here is the latest news like Coursera leading. So like this some news we got. Let's say I want like tool calls. So show some tool calls. So whatever the tool searches happened, those also I want to see. So that's why I'm performing this show tool calls equals to true. So now let's observe the difference related to previous as well as now. Okay, let's provide some instruction, like we can also provide some instructions. So to say like what type of output we are expecting. So please include the reference as well. Now I'm running this. By using these instructions, we can able to specify like how we can able to expect the output. So those things are how the model working need to be. So those things we can able to explain through these instructions. You can see previously this is news week or Forbes. So these references are not there previously. Now we got the references as well. Let's say you have multiple instructions. Let's mark down like true to show the steps which are happening. And so let's say I have multiple instructions to tell to my model. Then you can provide your instructions in this list. Like so you have provided the first instruction, like so please provide the output in table, simple table if possible. Then do deep search, deep web search before providing the result. So let's run this and let's check the result for this right now. So based on the multiple instructions that we provide, you can see we got now like the response, like sources we got titles and date, and yeah, these all are yesterday news. So if you want to see like if you want to see like what is the just time now or date now, if you want to see like a date and time right now, then you can implement this like from date time. Let's import date time, and so by using that you can able to print like now what is the date and time. Date time dot now is the method where you can use to identify the time. So now you can see like 8 is the today date and 3 is the month. You can see the results that we got related to 7 and 3. Let's say I'm expecting today results, today search results. That also I want to include today is equals to. So I want this today results. So if you want that, then you can able to include what is the latest news of AI. Plus I want to provide today date in a string format. So let's see the results. Like I'm asking like what is the A results. So still it is providing yesterday results. So that's okay. Today date and time. So this is our request which was gone. So might after depenalizing the results are getting like overall results we're getting. So now you can see we're getting the overall results. So that's about the video. Like using Phidata, now we have implemented a simple agent where you can see for this agent we first used some Gemini model, we accessed some Gemini model, and we implemented the agent or we requested our model. So then after we included our tool and then we performed some searching action, like whatever we want related to news. Does who is Joe Biden or so we so like that you can able to provide your questions related to the requirement and you'll get the results. So like this you can provide some real-time questions and you can able to get the results as well related to today. So based on the results it appears like so delivers an address session. Okay, so is reliable live. So like that you can able to get the results of the day. Mhm. Yeah, you can see like references we have and so these are the improvements like OpenAI released 4.5 and so this is the news from this reference based on the folks. This is the result and a Cloud 3.7 related update we have from this article. So like this we have multiple updates related to the question that we provide. So this is all about this session. I hope you understood like how to create an simple agent with a model. Like for now, for this case, Gemini model we used. And here particularly you pass it this Gemini model. Like so first you get the Gemini model from Google using this method and then you also get like a searching tool like DuckDuckGo. So then after you can see so this is a method that you use to create your agent and you use this method to request your agent and get the response from it. Here you have seen like by simply providing only just the model how to create an agent like these all options are not there. Then after you have also seen like after providing a simple tool for searching how to get an agent or how to use that tool for that agent to perform searching that also you done and you have seen like instructions like if you have multiple instructions then how to provide those instructions to your model and if you want to see like intermediate tool calls then you need to mention these like markdown you need to mention and you also need to mention like this show tool calls so that you can able to see the intermediate tool calls as well as markdowns so while performing these actions or implementing this agent related query. So that's about this video. I hope this video is useful. If you feel this video is useful then please like share subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye guys.